Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to your bank account. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Trust Wallet does not send money directly to a bank. You first need to send your crypto to an exchange that supports withdrawals to bank accounts. Examples are Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Choose the coin you want to withdraw. Tap on it, then tap Send. Now go to your chosen exchange app and find your deposit address for that same coin. Copy the address and paste it into Trust Wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. Wait a few minutes until the transfer is complete. Next, open your exchange app. You should now see the crypto you sent from Trust Wallet. To convert it to cash, go to the Trading or Sell section. Select the coin and sell it to your local currency, such as dollars or euros. Once you have the funds in your exchange wallet, go to the Withdraw or Cash Out option. Choose Bank Transfer as the method. Enter your bank account details if you have not already saved them. Confirm the amount you want to withdraw and complete the process. That is the full process. Thanks for watching.